Dear coronavirus, I wish I could wake up and find that you were just a nightmare. You've got everyone in a frenzy, buying toilet rolls, hand sanitizers, and pasta. I don't know a lot about you, but I know you're nasty, you're horrible, you're inconsiderate. You destroy lives, families, communities, businesses, nations. All schools are closed until further notice. All final exams have been cancelled. I mean, when has that ever happened in history? Leaders, celebrities, rich, poor, old, young, fat, thin, everyone is feeling the pinch, all thanks to you. You're such an attention seeker. People can't cough or sneeze without the mention of your name. People can't have a tummy ache or a headache without the mention of your name. I mean, who are you? Who sent you? Before you came, we were moaning about Meghan Markle going off to Canada with Prince Harry. Should he go? Should he not go? We are weighing the pros and cons of Brexit on the nation. Back in my country, Nigeria, we were complaining as usual about our president, about his bad governance. We're complaining about bad roads. We're complaining about the lack of electricity in this century. We're complaining about the Fulani headsmen. And then, like an obnoxious, uninvited guest, you came. But we are not excited to host you. In fact, we are disgusted by your evil behavior. Because of you, people are scared to visit their elderly parents. People are scared to go shopping. People are scared to hold on to the trolleys even while shopping. People are now washing bananas before they eat them and wiping the box of cereal. I mean, when has that happened? You know what? Even though your presence is not wanted, you're actually teaching us a lot of things. How to stand together as one. How to look after our health and our well-being by making better food choices and exercising daily. How to take care of our finances because we are not even sure of tomorrow. We are learning how to build communities online. We are learning how to use online resources in our businesses and in our daily lives. We are learning how to spend more time with our children by knowing them better and loving them even better. We are learning how to be more social even though we are socially and physically distant. We are learning how to be our brother's keeper. With all the chaos and the overwhelm and the anxiety that most of us feel, with all the thousands of lives that has been lost, you think you've won, but you haven't. Yes, our lives has been compromised. Most of the things we need to do has been postponed. But we are not going to fade. Someone greater than you is watching over us. We may not know his plans yet, but soon we will be free. Together, we will be free.